In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open a delta neutral position in DeFi Tuna. This works best if you think the price will stay within a range. So here we're gonna start with Sol USDC as our pool. We're gonna set our collateral as $1,000. The combination of the collateral tokens doesn't impact the position itself. It will be converted based on the setup that we have. To create a delta neutral position, we aim to balance the exposure of both sides of the market. To start, we can choose our leverage. In this example, we're gonna use 2 for our leverage. Delta neutrality depends on the assets that you hold. In our example, we have 1,000 as our collateral and we have 2 times as our leverage. It means that we need to borrow equivalent value of our collateral in SOL. So you may use the borrow ratio to fine-tune the position type over here. So if we borrow around 5.72, we achieve delta neutrality. Then we can adjust the price range centered to the current price. Wider ranges reduces your risk but also lowers your potential yield. Delta neutral setup aims to earn fees without directional exposure. As long as the price stays within the range, you farm fees. Impermanent loss does occur in this setup, but it's often offset by the earned fees over time. When creating a position, you can simulate how long it will take for the IL to be offset by the fees. So you can adjust here the days or the hours. So it would take roughly around more than 24 hours, or here is 4 hours and 1 day to offset the IL by the fees that you will be potentially earn over time. The main risk here if the price goes beyond both of the ranges. You stop earning fees if the price is out of range. The profitability calculator helps you track your potential PNL over time. The PNL consists of the collateral price movement, which we can offset by farming the fees, minus the borrowing and the protocol fees. You'll remain profitable as long as the fees outweighs the impermanent loss. So the goal is to stay in range as long as possible. We can also protect our capital by using limit orders. In this example, our lower limit and upper limit acts as our stop loss, and the platform also allows you to convert into USDC or SOL in case the lower limit or upper limit is triggered. So once we finish setting up, we can create a position. In this screen, we can see our summary. We have 1,000 as our collateral. We borrowed an equal or almost equal amount in SOL so that we stay in neutral position. And then we can start the farm. Click confirm and the position successfully opened. So that's how you open a delta neutral position in DeFi Tuna.